Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, we're toe to toe. We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So I'm about to leave the house right about now. I have a brand meeting to attend and I'm already so late. I better leave the house right now before this rain that is threatening to fall starts falling. Alright guys, so let's go.
Mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
So you guys, I am back home. Oh my god, I'm feeling this look today, you guys. No lashes, but the look still looks but no lashes, but this look still looks bam, like it looks so fab. Anyway, that is not what I came to come and say here. I just came to say that my meeting went well, and yeah, I'm about to eat right now. I'm so hungry, you guys. I stopped over at Fax. I showed you guys in the clip before this one. I just stopped over at Fax to get some food. Fax is somewhere that is really close to where I stay, but I hardly ever go there. I don't know why. So oh man, I can't take my eyes off my red lips. I can't. This lipstick I'm wearing is from Flawless Ivy. I'm not sure what the name is, and those lipsticks are affordable. Like, they are so damn cheap, so cheap. I think like 500 naira or 700 naira or something, but I'll leave the name of this particular one just in case you want it. It's so affordable and it's so nice. I love it. What I'm eating, let me show you guys what I got from Pax to eat. Okay, so I got jollof rice. The jollof rice was about 352 naira, which is really cheap. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So that is the face of the jollof rice. Looks like all this firewood and smells like firewood rice. God, it smells like firewood rice. Jeez, I love it already. Got some plantain. I got plantain worth 379 naira because I really love plantain, you guys. Juicy, just the way I love it. Juicy, ripe, sweet. Yes. Then I also got goat's meat. I got 2 pieces of goat's meat, and their goat's meat is so big, so it cost about 1,080 naira, but it's so big, you guys. Like, look at that, guys. It smells amazing. Gosh.
The next day.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I just left my house. There's crazy traffic, you guys. Like, the traffic is mad, but I'm heading to Maitama right now. I won Kachi's giveaway. You guys must know Kachi of Staples. She's also a blogger here in Abuja, and she's been focusing more on her House of Staples page where she does home decor. Guys, Kachi's apartment is like what you find on Pinterest, just so you know. But yeah, she recently hit 5k or so on Instagram on that account, and she sponsored a giveaway for some nice home decor items, and guess who won that giveaway? Me, right here. So I'm heading over there now to go and pick up my giveaway items, and I probably would show you guys everything I'm going to be getting. And yeah guys, just stay tuned. I'm excited because, you guys, everything is coming together for this new place. Everything is coming together and I cannot be happier. So let's go. By the way, I'm wearing my kaftan from Luxury Kaftans today, and you guys, I love this stuff so much. I will put a picture on the screen. By the time this vlog is going up, I should have already posted a picture on my Instagram page, so I will leave it on the screen right here just so you can see what it looks like in full regalia, full frame. But yeah, guys, I love this kaftan, guys. Oh, the beading, I can't get over the beading. Like, I can't get over it. It's so cute, guys. Everything already came packaged in this box, so I'm going to have to unbox this once I get home. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, and this is the Karen magazine. I like this. I'm going to digest everything in this magazine. I'm sure there's going to be some home inspiration stuff. I said it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Wow, I love this plant. It's so pretty. Okay, guys, so this is the box that has all of my goodies. So over here I have a pack of wooden hangers. These are really cute. So in this box there are a couple of things in this box. I have two candles. I got 2 candles, midnight garden velvet and vanilla scented candle, and they are so huge, you guys. Like, I'm such a scented candle freak, and I'm so happy that I have these. Like, the pack is actually velvet. Like, it's actually velvet. So cute. Okay, so over here is this storage container. I'm not even sure what I'm going to store here yet, but I will definitely store something nice in here. I have these 2 decorative bottles. I feel like I'm going to put plants or something in here. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm not sure what to do with these, but I will definitely do something nice with these. These 3 boxes, so there are 3 storage boxes. I think they are from IKEA. Yeah, I can see the IKEA logo inside. So this is the smallest box. This is the second smallest, or rather, this is the second largest. And then this is the 3rd largest. And they have like this basket vibe kind of thing. I really love it. Maya Angelou and Still I Rise, and Maya Angelou's Gathered Together in My Name. There are also some coffee table books. This one is just a plain notepad. I actually like this notepad. It's plain, like it doesn't even have like lines on it. It's like plain sheeted. And then there is this coffee table book. I love. And there's this really cute chopping board. I love this. Like, oh wow, chopping on this is going to be such a pleasure. I've always wanted to get like chopping boards that are like this with inscriptions and stuff on it. So yes, super happy about this one. And then last but not least, this is a vase. Oh wow, it's so pretty, guys, but I can't open it yet, please. Okay, I'm not about to allow it to break, but it's like a blush pink vase. I don't know if you guys can see inside it. But like a blush pink vase, and it's so cute. Oh my god, I don't want to open it. I'm sorry, you guys will see it in my eventual house tour. But yeah, this is so cute. Is that so? Oh really? Yeah, come on. They don't know. They don't know, baby. They don't know, baby. Yeah. Get it. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Why is your hi so short? What is hi? Guys, so you guys can see plenty of shoes here. We literally went shopping for shoes for Mia a couple of days ago. I'm going to leave the brand where I got all of this stuff on the screen right now. It is called EJ's Feet. Yeah guys, she actually gifted Mia a couple of these. We didn't buy everything. Some of them were actually gifted. I think she gifted Mia this. I really love this one. Like, it's like a knockabout type of little shoes she can wear in the house and everything. You can easily wash it. I really love this because I needed to get her like stuff to wear within the house and within the compound. And then she also gifted her this little cute one that look like chalks. They are so cute, you guys. They are Minnie Mouse chalk-like things. You see this one on Mia's leg? It's so cute, like it's so pretty. And I didn't want to buy too many shoes because you guys know that with kids they outgrow shoes like really quickly, so I didn't want to buy her too many. And then we bought her these ones from the same brand. We just went there with Mia, and Mia was busy testing out shoes like a boss. Okay, she was testing out shoes there like a boss. So we equally bought these little sneakers as well, which are slightly big for her, but I'm glad because she would grow into them as well. These ones too, they are so cute, and they are frozen. They're this Disney frozen cartoon thing. It says over here Elsa and Anna, and then Elsa and Anna is on the body as well. So cute. Then we bought her these ones also for knackabout. I'm sorry to use that term, but I'm used to it, for knackabout. So this was supposed to replace the one that she originally had because that one has gone bad. I wanted to get feminine sandals from this brand, but unfortunately they didn't have any ones in stock, and the ones that they had were way bigger than Mia's feet, so I couldn't buy her any like girly sandals. So yeah, I'm going to have to source for that somewhere else. But thank you so much to EJ's Feet, because she gifted Mia, like I said earlier, she gifted Mia this too, and then we bought the rest. So thank you so much to EJ's Feet. Check her out, guys, on Instagram. If you have kids and are looking for where to buy quality footwear for your kids, and even like tops, we even bought 2 tops. Let me show you guys the 2 tops that we bought for Mia. This one is one of the tops. Yellow always looks good on Mia Rose. And then we got this pink one, which I love. This pink is my favorite because it has got like this neon blue on it. It's just so girly. I love it. Yeah, this is all the stuff we got for Mia. So thank you so much to EJ's Feet, and guys, go check her out. If you're interested and you're in Abuja, check her out and tell her that Alma sent you, okay?
The next day.
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. So what is today? Today is Friday, and I have a couple of errands to run. First of all, I'm going to do some fittings. There's a brand I'm doing some work for, so I'm going over to the store to do some fittings on the outfits, and then after that I probably would have to go and source for curtains for Mia's new room. Yeah, I think those are about the only 2 things I need to do today, and I will take you guys along with me if it's interesting enough for you to know about. All right guys, hope you guys are doing well. Without further ado, let's go. Well done. Thank you. Please, I'm looking for curtains for children's room. I like this blue. I don't know why. It's so fine. I love it. I prefer it. Now that you bought out this one, I prefer it. I prefer this one to that one. Yes, okay.
Let's see if we do 2 years. We'll make it 2 years or 2.5 years.
Okay.
Let's do 2.5.
Okay, 2.5. Let's do 2 for the 2 windows. My absolute first time trying this wine. I have never tried this Calarisi wine with strawberry flavor before, and I saw a couple of flavors where I went to buy this, but I just thought to try this one out tonight. Let's drink. It's amazing. This tastes so good. Wow. Yeah, it's almost like champagne because it's carbonated. It's got bubbles and stuff, so it's not like plain, you know, flat wine. My entire night is set. I'm going to sit down now and watch my series and call it a night.
The next day.
White lies, perilous, sweet as poison. Fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons. One sipping, I'm lovesick. Built a home, turned to ruins. Followed you into the night. Couldn't let you leave once you leave.
doing well. I literally woke up a couple of minutes ago and I want to start editing this video right about now. I know I have left you guys for a couple of days without a video, but guys, yeah, sometimes I just need to just take a chill pill, step back and just relax, because the demand is just too much. Okay, so I had to take some days off creating anything for YouTube just to get myself back. You guys get what I mean, right? Yeah. So anyway, let me quickly go and edit this video now so that you guys can have a video going up today, being Monday. And yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. Did you enjoy watching this vlog? Let me know in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching the video as always. Also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed already. Come on guys, we're almost at 6K, but that 6K is taking 1,000 years to get to, so please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, okay? And share this video with who you think will find it interesting to watch. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.